Welcome back to part 14. In these next 4 parts we're going to finish the dome, to be more precise the dome rotation mechanism, and in this part we're going to focus on the circular plate. So let's open this up. I don't think we need the dome today. Let's be very careful. Okay. Nice. So we have our screws. Put it to the side. And let's get these screws out before we lose them. Should be 5. Yep. And let's get this plate out, which by the way feels like it's made of aluminium. Good quality. Alright, now there are 2 sides to it, so let's orient it correctly. Would it matter? Probably would. Or wouldn't it? Seems to be the bottom, though I can't really tell. Let's see, it seems to be perfectly mirror imaged, so it shouldn't really matter which way is up. Okay, let's have a look. We need our previous motor assembly. Yep, and we snap that in place. Okay. Yep, okay, it's a little bit of a standoff. Nice. And we, by the looks of it, just have to add these 4 screws. I think that's it. Okay. Let's go ahead and do that. Again, I'll just tighten them in. Very, very loosely screw them in. Make sure that you don't damage the plastic. Now let's have a look. Doesn't seem, yeah, are they all the same? Yes, they are. Okay. For some reason, oh, there we go. Now be very careful. It's plastic, so it's not really threaded. It's actually self-tapping screws by the looks of it, so you don't want to over tighten them. Just give it enough force. All right, one more. Get out you. As usual, we have 1 spare. That's good. And the last one. And make sure you screw them in straight. And it seems to be it. Yeah. All right. See you in the next episode.